So guys, there is a bad news. If you play the new game which has launched in India, the PUBG new state, so it has breaking a lot of Android devices, as you can see here. Someone has tweeted, PUBG new state has bricked my device already. Those on Android 12, be a bit careful, I'd say. Means that if you are using the Android 12 beta version, like if you use your Pixel phones which contains Android 12 beta version or the stable version, or if you have any third party manufacturer phone like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, so please don't install the PUBG New State application if you find it on the Play Store, because it is hard bricking every device here. So please don't install the PUBG New State. Wait for 5 to 6 months until the problem gets solved. So don't install the PUBG New State. So if you want this kind of more information, please subscribe to our channel Technical Pull Up. Bye bye.